Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Through many perils and hundreds of miles, I have come from The Hague in the Netherlands, where I went and from where I returned about 3 days only ago. In fact, I did not think I would have been able to be present on this occasion, but it turned out that I was. I made the effort and it succeeded. May I take the opportunity to say that I thank Dr. Samaru for the extensive tribute that he paid to me. But I really do not want the ICC to be reduced to the level of a single puny personality, as it has been many times by many other persons in many other places. I would not like such a great movement as the ICC to become involved in the envy, hatred, and other propensities of the human disposition. For it is, and I'm sure, not only my own opinion, one of the great humanitarian movements of the world, the ICC, with the entire system of justice in which it is involved. It is not merely a court, as some people think it is, or reduce it to the level of a single judicial institution. The ICC and what it represents is a humanitarian system, the like of which has not been seen for many centuries. Although there have been aspirations before the ICC itself. The fact that this system of justice, international justice, has become associated principally with an individual is, to my mind, unfortunate. For this ICC system represents the intelligence, the aspirations, and the imagination of thousands of individuals, and particularly of a smaller number of gifted but determined individuals who wanted to ensure that the world experienced a system of justice that would deter wrongdoers at whatever level of society or states, and bring persons who are accused of such wrongdoing to account by fair and speedy means of trial. After the Second World War, even such a great statesman as Winston Churchill agreed with Stalin of Russia that the Nazi war criminals accused as such should be shot without any trial whatever. It was the Americans under Roosevelt and Jackson, the Chief Justice, who was also prosecutor at Nuremberg, who insisted that they should be brought to account by rules which would stand for all time. The opinion of Roosevelt and Jackson prevailed. And that is how the Nuremberg trials came about. It was the Nazi war criminal Speer, Albert Speer, who said that rules have to be devised which would enable us to live together, because another war like this will result in the end of civilization. Today, another world war will most assuredly mean not only the end of civilization, possibly it can mean the end of life in the world. So that the example of the process that led to the creation of the system of justice